In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the phone number format in Zoho CRM, a complete guide for 2025. Understanding how to effectively manage and update contact information is crucial in maintaining the accuracy and professionalism of your customer interactions. This guide will walk you through updating the phone number format for your leads, ensuring everything is tidy and in order within your CRM system. To begin, we'll start at the home page of Zoho CRM. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you'll be able to access different tabs and start managing your contacts effectively. From this home base, you'll want to navigate to the Leads section. The Leads tab is typically located on the top bar of your home page. Clicking on it will direct you to the list of potential contacts and clients you might be managing. Once you're in the Leads section, take a moment to look through your list and select the lead whose phone number format you wish to update. Easily identifiable by name or company, selecting a lead will open up their detailed information profile where all their contact details are stored. With the leads profile open, the next step is to click on the Edit button. This button is generally located at the top right of the leads profile page. Clicking Edit will allow you to modify any of the fields in their profile, including updating contact numbers. Now scroll down or search for the phone or mobile field within this profile. This is where you'll enter the updated format for the phone number. Whether you're adjusting to comply with international standards or simply cleaning up inconsistencies, input the phone number in the desired format. Make sure to double check the number to avoid any typos or errors, as correct formatting is essential for future communications. After ensuring the format is correct, you will want to save your changes. To do this, simply locate the Save button, often found at the bottom of the page. Click Save to confirm your updates, solidifying the new tidy format within the system. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward way to adjust phone number formats within Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your contact information remains consistently updated and formatted, which is critical for successful communication and professional appearance. Don't forget to repeat these steps for any other leads that may require similar updates. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.